If you want to check out the price of how much it would cost to take an Uber to a certain location, you can just go to uber.com/global/price estimate. And you can see here we're on the website right now, and we're going to annotate this. So it's asking us how much does a ride cost with Uber? So here we're just going to select the pickup location. So for the pickup location, we're just going to do, how about, let's go from the St. Louis Park Library. So here we're going to go from a library and we're going to take that to the Minneapolis airport. Now, when I go to look up a location, it uses smart lookup, which means you can start typing a name or location, and it will give you several different areas. So here we have Minneapolis Airport. Now, that's not the official name, it's officially Minneapolis St. Paul Airport. But you can see here, we'll just go to the Minneapolis St. Paul Airport and you can just click on see prices. And this is going to give you an estimate of how much it would cost in Uber to pick you up from the library and then take you to the Minneapolis St. Paul Airport. And then if you just click prices here. Oh, first of all, though, you do have to log in. So we do want to log in. Noted, we do want to log in first to our Uber account. And it's going to verify first that it is me. So it sent me a verification code to my phone, which we do not want to share with anyone else. Uh, right there. So it's just verifying that, yes, it is me checking out the prices. To create an Uber account, you can just log in, create a username and password. But you can see here, it is now going to, we'll move this options here. On the website, you can take a look and it's going to give you estimated prices. So here it's going to be from, in the upper menu, it says get a ride from the St. Louis Park Library to the airport. Then you can select a pickup time. So here, let's do this in advance. So let's say that the pickup time will be tomorrow, November 19th. And let's say that it's at 3 p.m., so a little bit before rush hour. That it's estimating that the drop-off time will be about 20 minutes here. And then you can go to next. And in the middle, there's the map that will take you. It's also asking if right here, if this is for me or for someone else. I'll just say it's for me. And then you can also put in your airline as well. So then they know exactly where to drop off. So in here for the airline, we're just going to put in Delta because that's a popular airline at a major airport. And you can check out the ride estimate anywhere in the world that Uber is located. So next, remember, we have not booked a ride. This is just to get an estimate of how much it would cost for an Uber ride to a destination. So right here, the Uber X, this is recommended. This is the lowest fare. So it's saying that it would be about $37.46. Then if you scroll down in the middle column, you have comfort, and it'll explain what the car means. So for comfort, that's a newer car with extra legroom, about $46. And then if you scroll down, you have uh, Uber XL, which is affordable rides for up to 6 people. That's 65. Then next, you also, which is a better price, the green, that could be eco-friendly car, like electric car, because we have that green symbol, $36. But if you want to ride in style, you can also select the luxury rides with a black Uber, or they have the black SUV as well. And then once you select your ride, then you just simply click on reserve ride. However, anytime you want to check out how much it would possibly cost, you can do your research and come to this part of the Uber website, or you can also access this within the app as well. And so here we can just change this. So let's do the pickup location is going to go from let's do Cub Foods in St. Louis Park. And again, this is just for an example. And we're going to have it take us to, let's see, say that we want to go to a professional like sporting event, like the Minnesota Twins. So here we're going to go delete this, and we're going to change the drop off to the Minnesota Twins. And again, I don't know the exact address for the Twins Stadium. So right here, it uses that smart lookup. So the drop off location, I just put MN Twins. And here it's going to, you can use Twins Ballpark. And if you're not sure the exact location, that's okay. Your driver will know that you're going to the Minnesota Twins. You will be able to communicate with them. And then we want to say that's for me. And we can select the pickup date and time. So here we have, Tuesday, November 19th at 3 p.m. And then click next. And again, it will show you the estimated, the fare right here. So about $18, that's not bad. Again, it's before rush hour. There's so many factors that go into the price. But remember, to see the prices, you can go in and do this at any time. You can even do this in different locations around the world. So say that you are flying into LaGuardia. So you need to get a ride from LaGuardia Airport right here. And you need it to take you from LaGuardia to Times Square in New York City. Right here, Times Square in New York City. And it will show you the exact route that they're going to drive. And we want to select the pickup time. So say we're going to do this on a Thursday, and it's asking you what date does your flight arrive, and next, and it will ask you exact flight number, because they will even monitor the flight for delays, which communicates with the driver, which is excellent. And so here it will search specific flight number as well, too. And then you can also get an estimate right there. I don't have a flight number because we're just doing this as an example too, but you can see here that maybe if you're up in the air flying and your flight gets delayed for some reason, don't worry about it. You won't get charged. It will communicate with your driver. Also, you can see here the exact route that they're going to drive. So here is LaGuardia Airport, and they're going to drive all this way and then drop you off in Times Square. So very fun to check out the flight estimator. You can also do this in other countries, wherever, the 70 plus countries, wherever Uber is located. So hopefully this was helpful. And you remember, you can do the same things for the price estimator that we did here in the web, also on the Uber application.